Hello, I'm Jim Glidewell. The purpose of this video is to give you an idea of what our dental laboratory is all about.